Making some salmon bowls for lunch. Right now I'm just cooking some rice. Don't know exactly what I want to do with the salmon. Might just do like a hard sear on the skin and then butter baste it. Keep it simple. Maybe do like a mayo salmon. Let's get these salmons out. Okay. A little bit of salt. To the hot pan, we'll do a nice amount of olive oil. We're gonna salt and pepper the top. Okay, our rice is done cooking, so we're gonna mix it up, then add a little bit of sushi vinegar to it. Okay, I'm gonna flip the salmon. Gonna flip these back over. Let's get some butter involved. We are all set. Going to torch some mayo. A little wasabi on the side. Seaweed, and we're good to go. And let me add a little furikake too. Okay, let's try this. A little bit of salmon, a little bit of rice. A little bit of wasabi. Well, let's go. Okay, it's delicious. Just what I need. I'm gonna go. Goodbye.